Welcome Dash fam, I'm the best dasher alive, aka Young Money Dash Money, and I'm going to be sharing how to replace a $2,000 per week income. You can definitely clear over $10,000 per month with this, and even if you don't want to do it as a full-time thing, it's also an excellent side job, side income, so this works for everybody. So if you look right here with me at this product on Amazon, you'll see that there's a videos section. If you click in and you start to watch some of these videos, you'll notice that there's a related videos for this product section. Now, if you click on any of these videos, of course, a video will pop up. But if you look down here at the bottom, it says earns commissions. And if I click on the video below this one, still in the related videos for this product, you'll also see different person earns commissions. If I click the one below that one, actually let's click one more lower, this Medi lately earns commissions, and this Globetrot Farm one, same thing, earns commissions. So all these people are just uploading little quick review videos of products, and their videos get placed on the product pages. So any shoppers that are shopping for this product on Amazon, when they watch this video, this Globetrot fam video, and if they buy the product after watching this video, then that means they're going to earn a commission because someone watched their video and then bought the product. And this is a $27 product. Let's just say it's a $30 product to make it easy numbers, and say the commission rate on that is 10%, then they get $3 off of someone just simply watching their video. And they're, like I said, they're quick little videos, not a lot of polished editing. You don't have to like be an influencer. I'll talk more about that in a second, but there's a lot of people that aren't even showing their faces in these videos, and it's just a matter of if someone watches it and buys the product, you get a commission. So I've been doing this for a little while now. For 2025, this is what I've been doing most of 2025, and it works very well if you do it right. So let's say I'm looking at some food delivery bags, and I click into this one right here. You can see that there's a videos section, so I click on those videos, and right under related videos for this product, we see just normal people uploading product videos, and they all have this little earns commission tag on them. So they are earning money if people watch this video and buy the product. So you can literally just chill at home. All the products you already have from Amazon, all the new products you're getting from Amazon, you can just upload little videos and you can be making money off of those videos. And you don't have to be an actor in those videos, an influencer in those videos. You actually don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. And really the star of the show, the star of the videos is always the product. So again, you don't have to be an actor, influencer. You don't have to be comfortable talking to a camera. You can literally, and you can just do it all straight from your iPhone. Your smartphone doesn't have to be an iPhone, but just you record looking at the product, showing off the product, and then you upload that video. Someone watches it and buys the product, you earn some money off of that. And so if you review a lot of products and you have a lot of videos on Amazon being shown to shoppers and they're watching your video and buying, that can really multiply and add up to where you're making really good money. And there's also a passive income element to it where yes, you definitely have to put the work in to create all the videos and upload all the videos, but once you have like a lot up there, you can just stop and they'll still run and you'll still be making money. So here's a look at my storefront. It's called SCO Show. You can see I'm a top creator. That's also, they run a similar program to what DoorDash does, where they have a platinum, gold, silver, and bronze program. I'm platinum, so that makes me a top creator. And all the videos that you upload, they show up on the product pages, which is where you really will make your money, but also they show up on your Amazon storefront. And this is my storefront, and you can see I have almost 1,900 videos that I've uploaded. So like I said, if you get a bunch of these and they start to stack up and multiply, then you can be making some pretty good money. So I've got 1,900 videos here, and all those videos every day are out there getting shown to customers, and I'm earning commissions off of those. And so the goal is definitely to get hundreds or thousands of videos uploaded, and you might not have that many products from Amazon, in which case I'm gonna show you how you can literally get thousands of products for free and make videos about those products. So you can do this completely for free. You don't have to put any money into it. I'll show you how to get the free products, really good products to review to get high commissions off of, so you can make some really good money. But first, let me tell you the 2 steps that you need to follow to get into this program. So first, the program is called the Amazon Influencer Program. Don't be confused by the word influencer. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to be an actor. Like I said, you don't even have to show your face on camera. The product is the star of the show. You're not trying to speak to your followers and gain followers and constantly be uploading more videos to talk to your followers. It's not like that at all. They just call it influencer program because it's people uploading videos that influence the shopper's decision. But you don't have to be an influencer at all. The only thing is that you do have to apply to the program using a social media account, Instagram account, YouTube account, TikTok account, and there's people with literally just 150 followers on a new TikTok account that are getting accepted into the program. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to have been growing a social media account for several years. None of that. Real simple. Don't be scared. Normal people that are not social media influencers are getting into this program all the time. Then once you're into the program, this is the more tricky part, but it's still totally easy to get through. You have 3 tries to get through a video review process. So what Amazon wants you to do is upload 3 examples of product videos that you'd upload to Amazon, and they're gonna review those 3 videos and decide if they let you into what's called the on-site commissions program, which is where you get that little earns commission tag on your videos and you can get commissions, and Amazon shows your videos on all the product pages and that sort of a thing. So that's really where the money is at. You can get into the Amazon Influencer Program and not be part of the on-site commissions program, and you can still earn some money, but it's a lot more difficult. So you really want to get into the on-site commissions program, and then once you're in there, you can really start to earn some good money and get the free products, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Okay, and then once you've been approved for on-site commissions, then you get access to what's called Creator Connections, which is a special place where only Amazon influencers, again, just don't worry too much about the word influencer, but people who have been accepted into this program are the only ones that get access to Creator Connections, which is where sellers on Amazon, the brands, the products, the people selling them, can post their products inside of Creator Connections, and they post them in there with high commission rates, anywhere from 10 to 50%. And they post them in there so that other creators, Amazon influencers, see that and decide if they want to promote that product or not. But another thing that's really, really helpful inside of Creator Connections is you can straight up message the brands. You can look at their products, you can evaluate them, and you can message the brand and ask for them to send you a free sample of the product. And a lot of them agree to that. So once you're inside the commissions program and you go into Creator Connections, right now there's over 300,000 campaigns in there, and it's been growing a lot. It's literally doubled since I've started using Creator Connections. There's a lot of opportunity. You can get a lot of free products in there, and that's the easiest way to get a constant flow of products coming to your door, so you can keep constantly uploading videos, which is amazing. And then on top of that, they're offering 10 to 50% commission. So that's off of a $100 sale, you're gonna get $10 to $50 off of that sale. Now, if you're getting $3, $4, $10, $20, $50 off of each sale, and you've got thousands of products doing that every day, it really stacks up to some really, really good money. And then on top of that, actually what will start to happen once you become like a platinum creator, a top creator, brands will actually start to reach out to you and pay you to make some of these videos for them. And you also earn commissions when someone watches that video and buys. So you can kind of like double, even triple dip some of these videos and be earning multiple streams of income off of the video. And to be honest, it really is that simple. You just reach out to the brands, you get a bunch of products, they have high commission rates. So as long as your video is getting shown and seen and people are buying it after watching your video, you'll start making some commissions. Now this is where you want to do some product research and figure out which are the best products to upload videos for. Because if you're uploading a video for a product that already has 100 other videos, it's gonna be really hard for your video to get shown or get shown frequently so that you can be earning a lot of commissions off of that video. So really what you need to do inside of Creator Connections is find really good products that don't have a lot of videos made about them already. And what I mean by really good products is they just sell a bunch of times every month. The more times they sell, the better it is for you, because the more opportunities you have for your video to get shown and for someone to buy after watching your video, meaning you earn money. So you need to jump in here and do some what's called product research. And you need to find products that don't have a lot of videos made, so you can be one of the few videos that pop up for that product. And you also want that product to sell a bunch of times every single month. But that data, Amazon just doesn't freely show you how many times a product sells and how many videos have been made about that product inside of Creator Connections, unless you get a separate tool. And the one that I like to use is called Viral View. And it has a tool, it's a software program, and inside of it, there's a tool called Product View. So I'm on this page right now inside of Creator Connections under the Health and Household category. And you can see that there are 33,539 campaigns. And each campaign can have anywhere from like 1 to hundreds of products inside of it. So in order to really speed up the process and save you a ton of time of clicking into each campaign and looking at each product, you just run this product view tool right here. And into this little box, it populates all the products that you're looking at. And it shows you how many times it sells every single month and how many videos have been made. So this right here, this biodegradable floss picks that you see right here, its revenue is $15,000, almost $16,000 a month, and it sells 1,000 times every month. And there's only 2 videos made for that product. So 1,000 times every month, that's a lot of sales every month. And there's only 2 influencer videos. So if you upload a video for that product and you become the 3rd video, you will definitely get your video shown to a lot of these customers that's ending up in 1,000 sales every month. So there's plenty of room and plenty of sales for you to upload a video and start earning commissions off of people seeing your video before they buy these biodegradable floss picks. And you can see right here, the campaign commission is 15% and the product sells for $16. So $16 times 15%, that means your commission is $2.40 every time that product sells, and it's selling 1,000 times every month. So you'll definitely get some sales out of that. And again, when you start to get a big category of products, you have hundreds or thousands of products, and this is I would say a lower commission. You can definitely find some bigger commissions than $2.40, but when you start to stack them all up and they start to multiply and add up, you end up with some really nice money hitting your bank account every month. And then, like I said, you can message the company to get the product sent to you. So let's say, yeah, this looks good. It's got 1,000 sales every month, 2 influencer videos, so not a lot of videos. The campaign commission's good at 15%, but I don't have these biodegradable floss picks. I don't want to spend my own money on them. So what I do is I come over here and I click this message box, and I already typed out a template saying, hey, if you send me this product, I'll make a free video for you. And so I click that box, and then I come up here and I click send message, and that sends the message to that company, and they reply yes or no and ask me for my address and send me the product. And in the description of this video, I'll leave a link to this Viral View software with a 10% discount code, BDA10. That gives you 10% off for a lifetime. Every single month or every single year, whatever you sign up for, you'll get 10% off for forever. Again, I think DoorDashing is a lot of fun, but it has been severely declining. And so I'm just sharing this because I think there's a lot of growth that's going to occur here. It's been working really well, and I think it's just going to get bigger and better for the foreseeable future.